today we talk about how can you sign out of your account on your GC app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here, you click here on sign out here, just click on it here. So then here automatically it's going to take you out of your account on your TC app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.